Lumabas ka kasi paminsan-minsan. Are you expecting mental blocks in your business? You just can't seem to come up with fresh ideas that work? May mentee ako na si Trina. She was super dedicated to her online business. Day and night, nasa harap siya ng computer, working tirelessly. But then she reached a point where she realized na yung mga ideas niya ay paulit-ulit lang. Her sales stopped growing and so, sobrang discouraged niya. Diba? It's so frustrating kapag ganito, anak. You can feel your business becoming stagnant, and the thing is, using the same ideas again and again won't work in the long run. You need something new para lumago ang business mo. Ang advice ko kay Trina, lumabas ka muna and get some fresh air. So reluctantly, she followed my advice. She went communing with nature one weekend. And during our coaching session, she was incredibly excited. Ang dami kong new ideas, Mami N, sabi niya. Did you know, anak, that studies show exposure to nature boosts creativity and enhances problem-solving skills? The green colors and fresh air help reset your brain. The lesson is, hindi lahat ng business solutions ay nasa loob ng opisina. Minsan, kailangan mo lang lumabas at sumabay sa galaw ng kalikasan. And you can try this. Even just 20 minutes in the park or garden. Observe what's around you, feel the breeze, and don't forget to bring a small notebook to capture your ideas right away. Let's be business-minded Pinoy.